This truck is for sale. It's a 89, I think, Ford Ranger. At some point in its life, it was a county truck. Got some camo there. I started camo on it. I was thinking about it, still thinking about keeping it. But we'll see if anybody really needs my truck. And this truck is not without mechanical problems. See that? That's brake fluid. See that wheel cylinder? No. Well, you can't because it's behind the wheel. It leaks. Anyway, this truck has been here, sitting here for 7 days. Boosh. I mean, it will start every time. This linkage is a little tricky. Okay. Because the pin on this side is messed up. If you take this apart and replace that pin, it'll be fine. It's the only thing that's a little loose. And I forgot all about it. Heck, I mean, I need to sell the truck. I just found the lottery ticket ain't ticked yet. Woohoo! But, anyways, hold on. Anyway, that's the truck. Serious inquiries only. I'm going to post my price for what I have to have. Alright? I'm not going to sell it for scrap iron, so don't try it. I might be willing to trade for, I don't know, lead projectile delivery systems. Or, I don't know, a really good riding mower or ATV or something. But if you're not thinking about getting anywhere close to the money number I put on this, do not waste our time. Alright? There you go. Anyway, it's a good truck. It does, every once in a while, it's going to need an EGR and this, that, and everything else. It needs a new oxygen sensor. If somebody wanted to throw a little bit of time into this truck, it can be made to run pretty good. Which actually, I ought to do a video. That sucker right there will light the back tires up.